In today's video, I'll show you how to repost an Instagram post using a simple trick. Let's start. First, you have to ensure Instagram is up to date. Now, let me guide you through reposting for both Reels and regular posts. For Reels, and select the share icon. You'll find the option to download the video. Once downloaded, you can repost it easily. Now, for regular posts, unfortunately, there's no direct download option. But don't worry, you can either take a screenshot or download the post using various online tools. After downloading or capturing the post, you can repost it on your profile. Alternatively, you can use the share icon to share it in chats, but not directly on your feed. That's it. This is the simplest way to repost on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.